Hey everybody, I got this new game song called Pollination. I wanted to show you how it goes so that we could play it at an upcoming show. I have a bunch of assemblies at schools coming up this spring, as well as some Earth Day festivals. Here's how the song goes. I am a bee, I fly to the flower, drink the nectar, it gives me power. Sticky pollen sticks to me, 'cause I am a fuzzy bee. All right, there's the song. Here are the hand motions. I am a bee, like the antennae of a bee. I am a bee, I fly to the flower. The next words go, drink the nectar, it gives me power. And then the next line is sticky pollen's, like sign language for dust, I think. Sticky pollen sticks to me. I'm not quite sure about that line. Sticky pollen sticks to me. It's probably a better option. If you have a suggestion, let me know. And then the last line goes like this. 'Cause I am a fuzzy bee. Those are all the hand motions. Now, if you've been to one of our shows in the past year, you've heard us do a song probably that goes, wake up in the morning and I brush, 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 or one small mouse with superpowers. Those songs. Those are two examples of songs that I've written that are audiation game songs. And so I teach the song and then we start to take out some of the words and it gets a little trickier and more fun as we go. This song, Pollination, is an audiation song. It's a little bit harder than the other ones. That's why especially I wanted to send it out ahead of time so you could hear it, learn it a little bit so that when we play the game, it'll be more fun. It's harder because some of the words happen multiple times. So like, for instance, bee happens 2 times. So if we take out the word bee, we have to take it out twice in this song. So that would sound like this. I fly to the flower, drink the nectar, it gives me power. Sticky pollen sticks to me, 'cause I am a fuzzy. And there's some other words that happen even more times than that. So again, we take out the word, more and more words, gets more fun, more hard. And then we get to the chorus. The chorus is a call and response. So you guys be the echo. And for you young scientists out there, if you can check my math, check the science and see if this pollination stuff is correct. I think it is. I'm a pollinator, a dust collector, Pretty sweet job, I get paid in nectar, Flower to flower, I fly and buzz, delivering pollen. That's what a pollinator does, There's a little bit more to the song, but those are the key parts of the song that if you learn a little bit ahead of time, again, it'll make the game more fun to play. Sound good? Excellent. See you soon at a show near you. Can't wait.